Part 5 Functions. Very first we will see what is an functions. So function is a set of actions or activity which are performed. For example, take one magic box. Whatever I put inside the magic box, it will double and give it as a output. For example, if I put 2 as a input into the magic box, it will perform the action, that is double the items. Then it will give the output as a 4. If I put 3 into the magic box, it will give the output as a 6. And if I put the 4 into the magic box, it will give output as a 8. So what has happened here? The magic box will perform some function. So what is the function here? So it is double the input. So the action here performed is an 2x. So the any actions or activity which are performed, that is called as the function. So next one is a definition. So take two non-empty set, that is a capital X and a capital Y. So the capital X contains some element, that is small x, and the capital Y contains the some element, that is the small y. Then we will say each element is in X, that is assigned to one element in Y. Then we will say f is the function from X to Y. Then it is denoted as f equal to x comma y, such that for all x belong to capital X and y belong to capital Y. So next we will see the function in terms of relations. A relation is said to be the functions if each element in A is exactly assigned to one element in the B. So for example, take the first figure. Here each element in A is assigned to one element in the B. So this is the functions. Next one is, see the next figure. Here also each element in A is assigned to the one element in B. So here 3 is assigned to 7, then 7 is also assigned to 7. That is, each element is assigned to exactly only one element to the B. So next one is see the figure. 3 is assigned to minus 1 and 3 is again assigned to 7. So here each element in A that is one input A is assigned to 3 output, that is it is not a functions. Next one is some points while reading the function we have to remember. So what are that means? If f is the function from x to y, then the x is called as the domain and y is called as the codomain. Then second point is if f of a equal to b, then b is called as the image and a is called as the pre-image of b. Then third one is whatever the element which are presented in y, that all the elements are called as the range. Then f is the function from x to y. Then each element in x is assigned to exactly only one element in the y. Next one is consider the two finite set. So for example, if A has the one set, another one set as the B. So the n of A means number of elements in A. So for example, if you took number of element in A is 3 and number of element in B is 2, then the total number of functions that exist between A and B is 2 to the power of 3. So that is 8 function that should be exist between two set A and B. So how many functions should be exist there? 8 functions are exist there. Next one is an real valued functions. So what is a real valued functions? The range of function is the subset of R. So whatever the output that I return, that should be the subset of R. R is the real numbers. Then it is called as the real valued functions. Take for an example. If I took the domain as a f of x equal to 1 divided by x plus 1. Then I substitute, instead of x I will put it the value as a minus 1. Then f of minus 1 equal to 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 it will become 0. So 1 divided by 0. So any number that is divided by 0 is not defined. So that is the range it is not defined. That means it is not a real number. So you have to write the domain as a or minus of minus 1. So that is the or should be the real number, should be the minus 1. So it will not contain the value minus 1. So next one is a real function. So the real function means both domain and range. It should be the subset of R. That means both the domain and the range must be a real numbers. So consider an example. F of x equal to 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. So very first I put the value as a 2. So 1 divided by 2 square minus 5x plus 10. So 2 square it will become 4 minus 5 into 2 it will become 10 plus 6. So what will happen here? 6 plus 4 it will become 10. 10 minus 10. So it is 0. So again it will become 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So we do not take the value 2 as a real number. Then again you should check the number 3. So if I put the value instead of xi, if I put the value as a 3, then 3 square minus 5x plus 6. So what will happen? 1 divided by 3 square is 9 minus 5 into 3 it is 15 plus 6. So 9 plus 6 it is 15. 15 minus 15 it is 0. So again we will get 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is not defined. So you have to define the domain, that is without 2 and 3. So how can you write? You have to write it as f equal to r minus set of 2 comma 3.